I got a hidden talent.
What is it?
I can cut a pineapple.
Really?
Yes. Do you know how to cut a pineapple?
Nope.
No, nobody does. It actually comes with an instruction card on the pineapple.
Wow.
So I'm going to show you how to cut a pineapple.
Let's see it.
And this is going to YouTube. So there's already a how to cut a pineapple video on YouTube. Did you know that?
I did not.
Yeah, I learned from it.
Yeah.
And how many views there are?
How many?
11 million views.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Put the pineapple on its side. Got to be aggressive.
Aggressive.
Ready?
Step one.
Sharp knife, and don't cut yourself. You cut that. You cut the bottom. Okay.
Nice.
Cut this over here. All right. Then you cut it in half.
Cut it in half.
Don't cut your fingers. All right.
Okay.
So now we've got it in half.
2 parts.
Now, right here, there's a core that's in the inside. Cut it like a V on each side. Take that core, throw it in the sink. Cut that half in half.
In half.
Then section it like this. This is exciting.
Oh yeah.
Keep on cutting like that. Cut that right in the middle. And then you can cut the pineapple cubes. This pineapple is a little bit ripe, but that is only a good thing. So you do that. Throw that one in the sink too. Cut that in the middle. Slice, slice. Oh, there goes my finger. No, just kidding. Now, if you're watching this video, please only leave positive comments because my fragile ego won't be able to handle negative ones. Do the same for this one.
Make the V.
Make the V. Cut the core out. I can just see 12 million views on this.
12 million. We're going for 12 million, not 11.
Nope, 12 million views I want to get on this pineapple cutting video. On my next cooking show, I'm going to show how to cut kiwi fruit.
Wow.
Nobody knows how to do that either.
No.
I don't even know how to do that, so I got to watch a video on that. Toss that in the sink. Last one. And you are going to be watching this video thinking, oh my God, that looks so easy. I never knew how to cut a pineapple. And that's it. The pineapple is cut.
Nice.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let's get that 12 million views.